Okay, hey guys, this kid's not allowed to see his face on YouTube, but who cares? But yeah, but just listen to his burps. No, he is. That's my brother. He's allowed. Now I'm Master 23. Go ahead, Ryan.
That's Ryan.
Holy shit.
Wait, put in the comments who's the best. No, stop.
Okay, yeah, wait, it's not live, you idiot. Wait, yeah.
Yeah!
Wait, hold on.
Oh, Riley's on the camera.
Okay, come on.
Yeah!
Okay, time for Ryan's burp up. Pretend this is Ryan.
Yeah! Yeah!
Don't go right in front.
Alright, put a comment in the...
Yeah, who's the best?
Put a comment... Yeah, really comment in the like...
This is Ryan. And this is Easton.
Yeah, balls!
This is Easton.
Wait. Someone squeeze me. Oh, come on, you're gonna make me puke.
You made him lose all his burping technique.
Alright.
What? No, here, guys. Okay, get in front of the camera. Both of you, get in front of the camera.
Yeah!
But here's Ryan.
Who's this?
Here's Ryan. One more.
Hello? Hi.
Okay, guys, this has been a burping montage. Just one more from both of them. Salad try to do one more. Okay. Yeah. Okay, there's one more for him.
Hey Austin, I said you hello. I said you hello to someone. I don't even know what the word.
What? Wait, what?
I said hello to someone on the phone. I even know who it was. Alright.
Okay. One more from both of them. Okay, you guys get ready up. Here's a commercial. Wait, no. Okay, 1, 2.
I'm ready.
Why no?
I didn't even do any.
Alright, put a comment or like. Put a comment.
No, wait.
Put a comment.
Wait, let me say something. Kiss my Adam apples.
Alright, put a comment. Put a comment or like. Who do you think was better? So, see you. Right now, and this is Easton and Ram. So, put Easton the one with the black. Okay. Bye.